Hello, and welcome to our podcast.
Hello, everyone. We are so happy you are here with us today.
My name is Mark.
And my name is Lisa.
Today, we are talking about nature and the environment.
Yes, it is a very beautiful topic.
Lisa, do you like being outside?
Oh, I love it. I think nature is like a big, beautiful gift.
I agree. When I see the green trees, I feel very happy.
Me too. There is a small forest near my house. I go there often.
Is the forest very quiet?
It is quiet, but you can hear the birds. They sing very sweet songs.
I love the sound of birds in the morning. It makes me feel awake.
What about the mountains, Mark? Do you like the mountains?
I do. The mountains are very big and strong. They make me feel small.
Yes, they are very tall. I like to look at the snow on the top.
Snow is very pretty, but it is very cold.
That is true. I prefer the sun. I love a warm, sunny day.
When the sun is shining, the flowers look so bright.
Yes, my garden has many flowers right now. I have red, yellow, and blue flowers.
That sounds lovely. Do you have a favorite flower?
I think I like roses the most. They smell very nice.
They do smell good. I like sunflowers. They are so big and tall.
Sunflowers are like little suns in the garden.
Lisa, let's talk about the water. Do you like the ocean?
The ocean is amazing. The water is so blue and deep.
I like to walk on the sand. The sound of the waves is very relaxing.
I like to watch the fish. There are so many different colors under the water.
Nature has so many colors: green grass, blue sky, and brown earth.
And the rain. Do you like the rain, Mark?
Sometimes. I like the smell of the earth after it rains.
I know that smell. It is very fresh.
But I do not like getting wet.
I use a big umbrella. The rain is good for the plants. They need water to grow.
That is very true. Without rain, the world would not be green.
Mark, do you think it is important to take care of nature?
Yes, it is very important. We must keep the environment clean.
I agree. I always pick up my trash when I go to the park.
That is a very good thing to do. If everyone helps, the world stays beautiful.
I also try to use less plastic. I have a bag I use many times.
That is a great idea. Small things can make a big difference.
Do you plant trees, Mark?
I want to plant a tree next year. I want to see it grow tall.
Trees are very special. They give us clean air to breathe.
And they give shade when it is too hot.
I love to sit under a tree and read a book.
That sounds like a perfect afternoon.
Nature makes me feel very peaceful.
Me too. When I am stressed, I go for a walk in the park.
The park is a good place for everyone, families, children, and dogs.
Yes, dogs love the grass very much.
We are very lucky to have such a beautiful world.
We are. We should always be thankful for the trees and the flowers.
And the clean water and the fresh air.
What is your favorite season for nature, Lisa?
I think I like spring. Everything is waking up and starting to grow.
Spring is nice, but I like autumn. I like when the leaves turn orange and red.
Oh, the colors in autumn are very warm and pretty.
And the air is a little bit cool. It feels good to wear a sweater.
Every season has something special.
You are right. Nature is always changing, and that is why it is interesting.
We should listen to nature more. The wind in the trees has a story.
That is a very poetic thought, Lisa.
Maybe I just love nature too much.
There is no such thing as loving nature too much.
I think you are right.
Well, Lisa, it was very nice to talk about the world today.
Yes, it was very fun, Mark.
We hope you enjoyed listening to our conversation about nature.
We hope you can go outside today and see something beautiful.
Look at a flower or a tree and smile.
Thank you for being here with us.
Have a wonderful and green day.
Goodbye, everyone.
Goodbye.